Yan, mag-church na kami. Let's go na. Alright.
Thumbs up, guys.
Come on, we're leaving. It's okay, honey. Nothing. Mag-church na kami.
Come on, we gotta go.
Come on, we need to go.
I'm wet waiting. They're already.
Let's go. Go, honey. Go, go, go.
They don't need their soup.
Yes.
Just there later.
Here. Which one is yours?
This one, I guess.
Here, this is for you, honey. Mag-church na kami, guys. Oh, Merry Christmas sa mga taga, sa lahat ng ano. Merry Christmas sa lahat. Ayan, sa mga taga
Can you
Pinas.
help me, please?
Merry Christmas, Miko. What, honey?
Merry Christmas.
Oh, to carry her things. May ano kasi siya eh. Including this one?
Yes.
Oh, didn't you carry that? I can't carry this all. My God, honey. This one.
Who's been eating my cookies? Nobody.
Saglit lang. Ano may nakalimutan ako.
I thought that
Come on, honey. Come on.
I need to get a drink of milk.
Mga langan-langan nun kayo ng mga bataan, di ba? I need to close the house first. Mary, just open the... Open.